Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter 5, Tathagat's claim. Let's investigate if the sum is always a multiple of 6. Tathagat has written numbers that leave remainder 2 when divided by 6. He claims that if you add any 3 such numbers, the sum will always be a multiple of 6. Is his claim true or false? Let's investigate. First, let's understand what numbers leave remainder 2 when divided by 6. Any such number can be written as n equals 6k plus 2, where k is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. For example, 2, 8, 14, 20, 26, 32, 38, 44, and so on. Each of these numbers gives remainder 2 when divided by 6. Now let's test Tathagat's claim with some examples. Example 1. Let's add 2, 8, and 14. That gives us 24. Is 24 divisible by 6? Yes. 24 divided by 6 is exactly 4. It works. Example 2. Adding 8, 20, and 32 gives us 60. 60 divided by 6 is exactly 10. Another multiple of 6. Example 3. 14 plus 26 plus 44 equals 84. And 84 divided by 6 is 14. Yes, it's also a multiple of 6. The examples work, but let's prove it mathematically to be sure it always works. Step 1. Let's call our 3 numbers n1, n2, and n3. Since each leaves remainder 2 when divided by 6, we can write them as n1 equals 6a plus 2, n2 equals 6b plus 2, and n3 equals 6c plus 2. Step 2. Now let's add all 3 numbers together. Substituting our expressions, we get 6a plus 2, plus 6b plus 2, plus 6c plus 2. Rearranging the terms, 6a plus 6b plus 6c plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The 3 2's add up to 6, so we have 6a plus 6b plus 6c plus 6. Now we can factor out 6. This gives us 6 times the quantity a plus b plus c plus 1. This is clearly a multiple of 6. And the final answer, Tathagat's claim is true. When each number leaves remainder 2 when divided by 6, adding 3 such numbers gives a total remainder of 6. Since 6 is divisible by 6, the sum is always a multiple of 6. Well done, Tathagat.